Will AI fight the next war? The future of autonomous battlefields. Artificial intelligence is no longer just powering your smartphone or predicting online ads. Today, it's rewiring military strategy, shaping global power, and redefining the rules of combat. From swarming drones to autonomous tanks, cyber weapons, battlefield decision engines, and AI-driven espionage, the world is entering a new era, one where the first shot might be fired by a machine. This is the deep look into how AI could fight the next war, and why every global superpower is racing to dominate the autonomous battlefield. During the Cold War, nations raced for nuclear superiority. Today, the race is for artificial intelligence dominance. The countries that master military AI will possess faster decision-making, more precise weapons, and near-infinite battlefield surveillance. Key points. AI can process data faster than any human commander. AI-powered weapons can strike with surgical precision. Autonomous systems reduce casualties by removing human operators. The psychological shock of machine warfare is enormous. The first phase of AI warfare is autonomy. We already have drones that patrol borders, armored vehicles that navigate dangerous terrain alone, and robotic dogs securing military installations. On the next battlefield, autonomous drones will identify and track enemy units. Self-driving tanks will engage targets with minimal human oversight. Robotic infantry partners will scout buildings and urban zones. AI-guided artillery will calculate strike solutions instantly. Imagine a swarm of 1,000 drones attacking simultaneously. No fatigue, no hesitation, no fear. That is the new weapon of mass disruption. In modern warfare, air superiority used to depend on fighter jets. In the next war, it will depend on drone superiority. A single jet can be overwhelmed, blinded, or destroyed by a coordinated swarm of hundreds of cheap, AI-guided drones. Why swarms change everything. 1. They attack from multiple angles. 2. They confuse radar. 3. They identify targets collaboratively. 4. They adapt in real time. 5. Taking them down is extremely expensive. Future wars won't only be fought on land or air, they'll be fought in cyberspace. Silently. AI is now capable of penetrating networks, manipulating data, and disabling enemy systems before a single bullet is fired. AI-driven cyber weapons can shut down power grids, jam communication networks, spoof radar signals, hijack enemy drones, cripple banking and transportation, manipulate battlefield intelligence. The next world war may begin with an attack no one hears and no one sees. AI systems are now being used to analyze battlefield data faster than any human general. These decision engines study satellite feeds, drone footage, enemy movement, and supply lines, then generate tactical recommendations. Capabilities include predicting troop movements, optimizing attack routes, monitoring front lines 24/7, simulating thousands of battle scenarios per minute. In the next war, a commander's best advisor may not be a human, but an artificial mind. One of the most controversial questions: should AI be allowed to decide who lives and who dies? Some nations argue yes. Others warn that machines lack morality, empathy, and accountability. Concerns include wrong target identification, hacking risks, uncontrolled escalation, no emotional restraint, no accountability for mistakes. What happens when two superpowers unleash AI armies at the same time? The battlefield becomes a chessboard of machine intelligence. Possible scenarios: AI drone swarms countering enemy swarms, automated tanks jamming hostile sensors, AI cyber weapons attacking enemy AI algorithms, machines predicting and countering each other's strategies. The next war might not be fought human versus human, but AI versus AI in a battle of speed, data, and precision. The biggest fear is not AI fighting a war, but AI starting one. If systems misinterpret data, escalate too quickly, or classify false threats as real, the consequences could be catastrophic. Risks: false alarms, misclassified targets, automated retaliation systems, rapid escalation without human control. AI will not replace humans in war, but it will redefine what it means to fight. Humans will make strategic choices. Machines will execute tactical ones. The armies that win the next war won't be the biggest. They'll be the fastest, the most adaptive, the most autonomous. And in the age of AI, the battlefield belongs to whoever masters the algorithm. Subscribe for more deep dive conflict analysis from War and Influence.